What's up guys, Nikki here, and today I'm going to take you through your Hinge Warm Up. You won't need any equipment for this. So first we're going to start off with a T-cross to warm up our low back. So laying flat on your back with your arms out to your sides, legs are as straight as possible and together, and then slow and controlled, rolled all the way to one side, keeping those shoulder blades on the ground. Come back up to center and roll to the other side, 5 times each side. From there, we are going to get into 10 hip bridges. So staying laying on your back, you're going to bend your knees and bring your heels nice and close to your glutes. Arms are at your sides. From here, you're going to engage your glutes, engage your core, and drive your hips up, pausing at the top and back down for 10 in total. Next, to again warm up your glutes, we're going to do 10 donkey kicks aside. So on all fours, one leg at a time, you're kicking your leg back and up, squeezing those glutes at the top in between each one, again 10 aside. Next, we're going to get into 5 push-ups to a downward dog. So getting into your push-up position, hands are underneath your shoulders, driving your elbows back, push all the way up. From there, you're going to push your heels into the ground, stretching out your calves and your hamstrings. Then from there, come back into a plank into your next push-up for 5. Lastly, we're going to get into a bit of a lunge sequence. So you're going to start with your right leg. You're going to lunge forward, keeping your chest nice and proud, making sure that you're lunging far enough that your knee isn't driven way over top of your toe. From there, you're going to lunge backwards, come back to center, bring your knee up so you're in a sprinter's pose, and then you're going to hinge over. Make sure that you're only hinging as far as you can go so you still maintain control. So you're going to do 3 times on your right side, then switch over 3 times on your left. Again, once this is completed, you'll start back at the beginning for 2 more rounds.